Hello, it's Donna, and today we are going to take this little Santa Cap uh, clip art, and it was from Daily Art Hub, and we are actually going to turn this into an applique. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually do the red part, and I'm just going to make it a one color red. So we're going to go to Applique and say Digitize Applique, and I'm going to select my fabric, and since I'm just going to be using regular fabrics or, you know, for this, I'm just going to stick with standard colors here. My width is actually going to be 4 millimeters, and we are just going to click around here. I'll do a left click here, over to here, and another left click, and do right, 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 left, and then I'm going to bring it up here and hit return, and this is going to close this out. With this, I will select this, and I'm going to go down and choose a red color. That may be a little dark. Let's go with this one. That'll work. So right now I'm actually going to hide this one. Oh wait, let me do a edit object, and I'm going to reshape it real quick, and I'm going to put this down here, and that's for when I resize it, it'll stay in the center of the applique. So now I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to come and do the applique for the little top here, and so I'm going to say Digitize Applique, and I'm going to change my fabric color to white this time, and I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to kind of do my right clicks around here, trying to make this a little circle. It would be nice if they had a circle applique. Let me edit this and reshape it. Put the finish there, and we will go ahead and make this a star white color. So there we have that applique. Now we're going to come down and do this one as well, and we are going to keep it white. So let's go back to the applique and say Digitize Applique again, and we're actually going to start right here and left click. Then I'm going to do right, 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 and then that was a left, and I'm going to hit return. Again, I will change my color to be star white. Let's go in and reshape this one, and I'm going to move this over here, and I'm actually going to line this up so that it's nice and smooth, and I can bring this out to make it more curvy a little bit here. Okay, and then I'm going to come up to this one because I forgot to actually do the reshape and set it here, and the reason I'm doing that is when I enlarge it, if you enlarge it too far, and this little pointer thing can get outside of your hoop, and it won't actually enlarge it, or keep coming back. So right now I'm going to go ahead and delete the image, and I'm going to unhide this, and I see that somehow it got white in there, so I'm going to take it back down to my reds, and I am going to do this red. Um, One thing I'm going to do is in my appliques, if I can remember this, I struggle with it every time. So what I'm going to do is select this, and I'm going to do partial applique. See if that worked. I'm going to hide it. Nope, it did not. So I will select all three of them and say partial applique, and that should have um, turned this area right here into where the satin will not fill underneath. So that's what I wanted to do. So we're going to unhide all of these, and then there's just a funky little applique for a Santa hat. Now I'm going to actually enlarge this a little bit. I'm going to make the width 198, and that's going to fit inside a 8 by 12 hoop, and then I can kind of size it down. Now one thing, if you want to play with some of this, you can do a blanket stitch here, and you could play around with the size if you wanted to, but I'm going to leave it satin. And that's, you could actually, let's do it this way. So you've got this, I'm going to set this to 4, and it's going to make it look a little fuzzy there on the edge of that, so it's going to look like it's kind of got a little fur to it. And we will go ahead and do that to this one too. So we go down to object properties, and the effects, we'll say both sides, and again change this to 4, and it turns this in. So I actually like this look on the applique. I think it's just going to give it that extra little something. So anyway, that's it for digitizing this little Santa hat. Hope you had fun, and we will talk to you later. Bye.